Welcome to day 2 of your 10-day Reels Blitz. We're thrilled to have you. And today we're going to dive deeper into your magnetic message by talking about hashtags. Now, this is a common question our clients ask us, and I want to just quickly answer some few basic questions for you and send you on your way so that you have some confidence on what to use for hashtags. So, firstly, how many hashtags should you use? Well, you've probably heard in the past, people have been using 30 hashtags, but the algorithm and Instagram now prefer you to niche down your hashtags and really only put in about 5 to 8 that are relevant to your post. Mind you still have to do all the research of working out exactly which 5 hashtags would be useful. Secondly, what types of hashtags are niche hashtags and which ones are too broad? So I'll quickly just cover this for you. When we speak to our clients, we really do want to look at their social media accounts and how many followers they have, because this really determines if you only have a small amount of followers, then you are a small account and you're likely not going to have the engagement to be able to sustain a bigger hashtag. For example, if you have 1,000 followers or say 10,000 followers and you put a reel on Instagram, you might likely get quite a lot of reaction, which is going to push you through everyone's feeds. And if you're competing with someone like this, you really don't want to be using the same hashtag, because imagine you will not be seen. The bigger accounts will take up space. So you really want to focus on starting with hashtags that are smaller. And what this means is, for example, I'm going to go through a few. If you are a coach, I would avoid hashtag coach because that hashtag is really big. I would recommend that you really search down and niche down into fitness coach for women or business coach for women, and really aim to choose a hashtag that is under 50,000 or under 1,000 to 100,000 users. So this will allow you to be shown up higher in the feed. All right. What I would suggest is you take a bit of time to look at your hashtag sets. Now, if you join the 10-day Blitz, we actually have suggested 3 sets of hashtags for coaches, fitness coaches, so you can get a bit of an idea of what these could look like. For example, a small or medium hashtag for us, so when we're posting around self-love or business or things like gratitude journaling or budget planning, money mindset coach, self-mastery coach. So these are fairly small hashtags. They're not extremely small. If you get really, really niche, like Mums in Business Australia, then you're super niche. So just be mindful, your hashtags are what's going to, if people are searching by hashtag, they will find you. So are you looking for only clients in Australia? Then it would be worth using Australia as a hashtag. If you only work with women, then business coach for women is really important. Make sure your hashtags make sense. You can put things like what people are, say if our clients are looking to grow businesses, but we also teach the spiritual element of business, you know, meditation and journaling. So we want people who like to follow things like wealth consciousness or spiritual business practice. So really do think about how you work and what you offer. So it's what we do with our hashtags is we focus on a few hashtags that speak out our avatar, a few hashtags that speak out our authority, who we are, and a few hashtags that are what people are searching for, like what is the problem they want solved, right? So it could be money mindset. It could be money for women. Anything like that that really helps our clients find us. Build your business, launching strategies, vision board coach. So what we do, and here's a quick tip for you, is we set up a document with a table and we start thinking about our content pillars and summarize our hashtags in the content pillars. We do this with our clients in deep dives, but for this challenge, I would suggest you probably just think about 3 types of pillars that you would be posting in the 10-day Reels Blitz and create little sets of hashtags for each of those. And then you can simply copy and put them into each of your Reels. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial about hashtags. I hope it's answered some questions for you, and I look forward to seeing all your beautiful hashtags in your day 2 reel. Make sure you tag us and you make sure you follow your soul sisters and support them too.